In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Asana to organize your tasks and subtasks clearly. Let's start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading into the project that holds the tasks you want to organize. Once you're inside the project, you should see your task list. Think of this list as a rough draft. Our goal is to shape it into a clear, easy-to-scan structure using sections so you and your team can find what you need at a glance. Now, scroll through the project task list to the exact spot where you want your new section to live. Placing sections thoughtfully helps you create a logical flow, like moving from planning to execution or grouping by phases, departments, or deliverables. When you're in the right place, click the plus Add Section option. You'll find it at the top of the task list, and you'll also see it appear between tasks as you move through the list. Clicking it between tasks is helpful when you want to split a long list into smaller, more manageable groups without losing your context. Type the name of your section and press Enter. Keep section names short and meaningful. Clear names like Phase 1, Design Tasks, or Ready for Review make it obvious what belongs where and help everyone understand the structure immediately. With your new section created, it's time to organize. Drag and drop tasks under the section to group them. This is a simple way to turn a scattered list into a logical workflow. Move related tasks together so you can scan the section and understand what needs attention next. You'll notice how much easier it is to manage priorities once everything sits under the right heading. If a task has multiple parts, add subtasks to keep it tidy. Click the task to open the task panel on the right, then click Add Subtask in the Subtasks area. Subtasks are great for breaking a larger task into smaller, trackable pieces while keeping all the context in one place. They help you see progress without cluttering the main list. Continue this process as needed. Add more sections using the same button, name them clearly, and drag tasks into the right groups. Then, for any task that benefits from additional granularity, open it and add subtasks. Repeating these steps across your project will create a clean, structured view that makes planning and execution much smoother. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.